this is the first meeting of the new elected committee, and we have worked upon the agenda as per the schedule. Okay, the first thing we have finalized is setting up the bylaws. Bylaws has already been set up, and by 2-3 days we will be going for the registration process also. Second, parking issue has been sorted out, and list will be demanded from the builder, and accordingly we will be updating all the flat owners so that we can tally the allotment and what they are using. For lift purpose, we have already called the technician. He will be coming on Tuesday. He will be confirming what is the problem with the lift, and accordingly we will be updating the other members. CCTV camera and lighting, as discussed, that it will take time because it has not yet been finalized. So let's see what happens. Again, we will be forwarding all this information to the builder. 7 days we will be waiting for his reply. Whatever he replies, accordingly we will proceed with the administration. Yeah. Okay. For partial and complete handover, again we are not taking any stand on that. We will be waiting for the reply of the builder. After that, we will be proceeding according to his reply. Pets and stray dog, we have been facing a lot of nuisance of this, so we have finalized. Pet dog is straying around. We will be imposing some penalty of 1,000 rupees, that is strictly followed. Some purchases have been made today, like some chairs, 20 chairs, one almirah, office chair, few things have, and the budget has been allocated is 20,000. That has been approved by all the executive members. So it was a very successful meeting, and we have discussed on many points. Hopefully the next meeting we will be fixing many issues, and if you want to say something, the house is open, you can have some words now.